now along the Potomac River, Colton Point. This is a statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Virginia: Fairfax and Prince William, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Fairfax, Manassas Park, and Manassas. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in City of Fairfax in Northern Virginia, City of Manassas in Northern Virginia, City of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., radar indicated several rounds of moderate rainfall moving through the area. Rainfall of 1 to 3 inches can be expected, which will cause rises on area streams, with some of them potentially coming out of their banks. Some minor flooding of low-lying areas can also be expected. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas in low-lying spots. Coastal